What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. Since it's super hot today, I'm going to be doing a challenge. Let's see. We're going to be doing a Woodwork. I'm not sure how you say it. Is that correct? I'll show you what it says right here, the proper name. So basically today what we're going to do is we're going to have to try to score in the football net. I'll bring it to you. Score here, and then I have to hit this post and the other post, and then hit the top crossbar. So yeah, well, this is going to be a challenge because it's a challenge. So all the shots of the goal scoring are going to be slow-mo. So yeah, let's get this video started. Okay guys, I'm going to start off with the goal scoring, so that should be pretty easy. Let's get this started. Okay guys, so score the goal. So we got 3 more to go. So now I'm going for the left post. Guys, first time ever I've got 2 in a row. That is like incredible. So the next one on the right, I think I can't do it because sorry there. It's just that my aim is really bad, so we'll see how I can do it. Okay guys, so I've got the right post. Now the last one, crossbar, which is the hardest one, so yeah. Guys, I got it first try. That is incredible. I've never done it first try. That's just amazing. So guys, be sure to subscribe, turn notification, give us a huge thumbs up if you want to see more videos, soccer videos. So yeah, bye.